So you get your holes from your drill and blast engineer, you have a look at them, save them as a DXF. So save that as a DXF. Easy, that's all you got to do. So now you take your DXF file, copy that, paste it into your projects folder, and now you'll be able to navigate to that in your active map in Trimble Access. So we'll browse. There it is there. And there you have it. Okay, now it's going to be real easy. We're going to take that layer that we did. We want to make sure that it's an active layer. So now it's an active layer. All we've got to do to make it an active layer is click it until the box comes around it. And now we can make it selectable. So what I'll do, I'll roll into view where I want to set out just these first section here. So I'll just highlight those holes here, bang, arrows appear, easily to tell what you're going to be staking out. So we'll stake out blast holes. Here comes the list. So it's identified collars and toes, and there's your hole links, so you can tell if anything's a bit silly. All right, so gives you the option to store these points as it comes in. We'll start with whatever sequence it is there. You can actually renumber it. We'll start at 1, so we'll see what holes we stake out. And code, whatever all your blast holes you staked out codes. It's gonna have it go for 10 seconds, and it's gonna wait 2 seconds in between. It's gonna pretty much start one right away at 1 second. So we'll click next, and it's going to the target now. First color.
Observation start point.
On to the next one. And you can pause any time and have a look, or you can keep running.
Observation start point.
So I'll have a look.
Observation start point.
Nice and close.
Observation start point.
And it goes to the SSC button.
Observation start point.
This is the real power. All you have to do is highlight those
Observation start point.
have them loaded as a DXF, and that's all you need to do.
Observation start point.
Then once you need to move again,
Observation start point.
the fact that it's stored down below, you know which ones are holes have been done. You can just highlight again.
Observation start point.
There we go. 10 holes.
Observation start point.
Let you know if anything was skipped. And that's how easy it is. Alternatively, what you can do is you can load up your collars and call them separate names. So if I rename my collar 23.1 and 23.2. 0.1 is the collar, 0.2 is the toe. The auto stakeout will be able to distinguish between collar and toe, or you can swap them around. And we'll load them up as points, and we'll show you how to do it that way. Okay, so you go to your job. You want to import your points that you've got there. So here's my set out string, and accept. Imported 28 points. Done. Open my job. There they are there. I want to turn the DXF on. I can turn the DXF on to see them as well. There they are. See how it all matches up. All right. So with holes in auto stakeout, set up my blast holes. And I just nominate 0.1 as my color, 0.2 is the toe. Suffix, you could do it either by prefix or suffix. Suffix is easier for me. Go to next. So it identifies 0.1 as a color hole, 0.2 similar hole lengths as before. All right, off we go. I can nominate my storage point again. We'll just call it something random. 5. Code, and same as before. Next. Off it goes.
Observation stored. Point.
So it's just more doing the same thing, except you can see your holes numbered.
Observation stored.
You can see that the number stores over the top of it. It's a bit messier than doing it via the DXF way, but it still does the same job.
Observation stored. Point.
There we go. Going to the 25 now by the looks of it.
Observation stored. Point.
Oh, yep, 26.
Observation stored. Point.
And it cycles through just like it would the others. Hole 27.
Observation stored. Point.
And so there's two ways of doing it. DXF,
Observation stored.
highlighting it, or you load it by collars and toes. Just other ways of getting the job done.
Observation stored. Point.
And if you'd like to know more about the blast holes and auto stakeout, contact us at sales@hlgs.com.au and we can help sort you out. Thanks.